Taking the next small step, unleashing the power of AI, we rise, exploring the boundless realms of innovation. In a world adorned with technological creation, with eyes lifted to the stars above, we embrace the wonders AI can solve. From industries diverse, we lend our hand to transform challenges into opportunities grand. At Phoenix Intelligence, we're pioneers of the AI age, crafting solutions that set the stage, harnessing the brilliance of intelligent machines, unlocking potentials yet unseen. With a vision far-reaching, we dare to dream of a future where AI reigns supreme, empowering businesses, big and small, to conquer obstacles, standing tall. Connected by the threads of digital space, we revolutionize, leaving no trace. Innovating, collaborating, side by side, aiding industries with our AI stride. For in this vast realm of AI's domain, unleashing its power, we shall attain. Join us on this journey. Let's make our mark, transforming industries, leaving a lasting spark. With our expertise and AI's might, together we shall illuminate the path, shining bright. Phoenix Intelligence, where AI's potential soars, opening doors, achieving more. The possibilities are infinite, just within reach. As we pave the way for a future, AI will teach.